Hello everyone, today I have my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 one. Open it up and that's what it looks like. In the inside there's some stuff outside of the little bag. Now the first thing I'm pulling out is something that I got as an add-on, and it's the Pure Lease Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. And this is what it looks like. I'll be trying that in a different video. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is this Hemp's Citrine Crystal and Quartz Herbal Body Moisturizer. And this is what it looks like. I love Hemp's lotions. Sniff this one. It has a nice citrusy kind of scent. It's very light, but it's very pleasant. Now I'm pulling out my bag, and this wasn't zipped up like it usually is, and this plopped out when I opened it. So what popped out was the First Aid Beauty Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Soothe and De-Stress, and this is what it looks like. Let's see. The directions for this is to apply to clean dry skin, allow to absorb tissue off any excess. I forgot to look up on my phone what prices were for like the full-size items in here, because I'm pretty sure this next item is a full size, and it's from Space Case Cosmetics. And it is a single eyeshadow and space food. I love the packaging for this. And then here is what the eyeshadow looks like. The lid wasn't all the way screwed on, but it wasn't totally off, and it was not swatched or anything, so that's good. This is the color, and this is what it looks like. And that is the color. Very pretty. Then the next thing I am pulling out is what I picked for my item, because you can pick an item for your glam bag, and I picked the Thrive Cosmetics lip filler lip liner, and it is in Devon, and it's a black cherry. The box got a little smushed, but that's okay as long as the product inside isn't messed up. And this is what it looks like. And that is the color. Very pretty. And the last thing I'm pulling out is from the Balm Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. And it is Will Powder Blush, Worth the Wait. And it comes like this. I don't really know why they needed this. Usually they, well, now I do know. It doesn't stay closed. But anyways, this is what the blush looks like. I'll just use this as an eyeshadow. There's that. And there's it swatched. Now, I like this because it has in the back here where I can pop it out of their little cardboard here and put it in a Z palette. which is what I usually do with the little single eyeshadows that I get in my Ipsys. I have my boyfriend take the cardboard or plastic apart, and if the pan isn't magnetic, I have these little sticky things that you stick on it and it'll be magnetic, and then I put it in the Z palette. Otherwise I'll never use them. But that was all that was in here, and yeah, of course this isn't listing any of them and such, which I wasn't expecting it to. And the theme this month was take a break. And let's show you the bag really quick. And this is what the Ipsy Glam Bag looks like. Very cute. Not all that into pink, but it is cute. And I love the little airplane tab thing for the zipper. But anyways, I know this was full size. I don't remember how much these cost, but I know this was full sized. And I know this is full sized. Everything else wasn't, but this is a good size lotion. And I forgot how much their travel size goes for, but when I looked online, I don't think on Ipsy it had a price for this, but I know they sell these individually. So I'll get back on here and let y'all know what the prices were or whatnot for it. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So the Thrive Cosmetics lip liner is worth $20, and the Space Case eyeshadow is worth $9, and all the rest were travel size sample sizes, so they don't have prices. Anyways, again, see y'all. Bye.